So I'm Renjitha Mary George. I'm a TESOL TEFL certified English trainer, moving into my 12th year in the field of education. And is there anything else that you would like to know about me?
I think that's okay.
Great. So can I know a little bit about you?
Definitely, ma'am. My name is Amanpreet Kaur. I have done my graduation in the year 2014, and after that, I worked in the corporate sector. Then um, anyhow, I shifted my focus towards teaching after that, and now I have experience of approximately 3 years as an IELTS trainer,
Hmm.
and I have been working as an IELTS trainer for 3 years and teaching students. But for the meantime, I am running my own YouTube channel
Oh,
related to English communication, and over there I post videos related to grammar concepts and English conversations.
hmm. All right. That's
That's
great.
all
That's great to
about me.
hear. Can I know the name of your channel if you don't mind?
Yes, ma'am. We decode English.
We decode
W.
English. Okay. We decode English.
Yes.
All right. Good to know. I would love to look, check it out someday. Definitely. I mean, right away, I would say after the class, I would love to. And so you were working in the corporate and then you switched to teaching.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And how has it been, your experience as a corporate trainer until now?
Actually, in the corporate sector, I was a quality auditor. It
Mhm,
was actually a BPO, business
mhm,
process outsource. Experience was tremendously nice because I have learned many things over there. Uh, I had my senior who taught me each and everything about the corporate sector, and
mhm,
I am really grateful for him that he was there and taught me very important lessons about people in the corporate sector, how they behave, or what kind of goals we have to achieve in this kind of sector. So it was good, and talking about my teaching experience, that was also pretty nice because it is the different sector than the corporate one. So I have learned many things over there only, there as well.
mhm. All right. So would you be kind enough to contribute any one important lesson that your senior taught you? Would you be kind enough to share it with me?
Uh, the lesson that I have taught or I have learned.
You've
Sorry,
learned.
I have learned.
You said your senior was kind enough to teach you a lot of uh, life lessons about being in the corporate. So I was looking forward to learning something in that.
Okay, okay, I'll tell you. This is a very important lesson that he taught me, that focus on your work. You don't have to entertain each and everyone in the corporate sector, and you don't have to do everybody's work. Like, you don't have to
Mm,
say yes to everybody.
mm,
You can also say no, because at the end of the day you also have to submit your report, and if you are doing anybody else's work in a day, then how would you complete your targets and how would you complete your work?
mm,
So he told me that focus on your work first, say no wherever is possible, and complete your work even before time.
mm,
This was the lesson he taught me.
That's that is very insightful, especially the part where uh, the where you said that you do not have to entertain anybody else and stay focused and stay concentrate on your work rather than. So yes, that can be a situation can arise when there are colleagues around and you do not want to offend somebody when they ask you for help, but at the end of the day, in case if your work is undone, and then you would obviously be questioned for it and nobody would care whether you were helping somebody out or not. That's very, very true.
Definitely.
Absolutely. Thank you for sharing that. All right. So let's jump into the section notes then. So in now with an example or with any sort of your own devices, could you explain to me the difference between the words like and love?
I think love means when you are passionate about something and you do not expect anything back from the person or from the thing that you love. And like is maybe opposite of this.
Okay, maybe you can give me an example.
For example, I like this notebook
Hmm.
uh, and I love this teddy bear.
Oh, that's sweet. That's sweet. Do you have a name for the teddy?
Uh, no, I haven't given it a name yet. Actually, I it was gifted by my uncle
Mm-hmm.
few days back, and it is
Hmm.
there with me. Whenever I do some work, it is there with me.
All right. I used to have one. Uh, it was slightly in a beige sort of color, and I lost it to the floods. There was a very there was a flash flood that happened. Not flash flood, I would call it, but it was a serious disaster back in 2018 that hit our area, and I lost mine. So the minute you showed me that teddy bear, I suddenly remembered mine. Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay, so that's great. That's great. That works for me. Now let's look at a few more questions. Okay. So tell me, which is your favorite food?
Um, there are many food that I like, that I love, actually. But talking about my favorite food, it is definitely Indian food. I really love to have Indian food, although I have many favorite foods in other uh, countries. Like I really love Chinese food. But
Mm-hmm.
if I talk about loving the food, it would definitely be Indian food.
Mm-hmm. So you like food from other cuisines as well,
Yes, definitely.
right? Okay, okay. And amongst the Indian food, what do you like the most in the Indian cuisine? What is your favorite dish?
Uh, I cannot tell you the one particular favorite dish because I really go with the taste. If
Mm.
it is tasty and I would say delicious, I can have it. And it really changes with the time. Um, for example, talking about the rainy days, I really love fritters with the
Mm.
cup of tea. And if I talk about the winter season, then mustard seeds with the cornbread. I really love to have it
Mm-hmm.
because I belong to North India, and this is very popular dish here.
Mm.
Every it is cooked in the winter season in every home in North India.
Mm.
So I
Okay.
really love that dish.
Oh, I've never tried this. I really want to now. Cornbread.
Cornbread, yes.
Okay, okay. We don't have it much in production here, but I would love to taste it someday. Let's see.
Okay, okay, if you don't mind, may I know where are you from?
I'm from Kerala, the southernmost state.
Okay, understood. No.
May I know where you're from?
Yeah, I'm from Amritsar, Punjab.
Amritsar. Okay, okay. And can I know about your favorite color?
Mm, my favorite color is green.
Green.
Uh, the
Okay.
actually the nature green, I would say, because it is very soothing and refreshing color. Whenever I go outside, I whatever I see in green color, it really refreshes my mind. And yes, green is my favorite color.
All right. Okay.